Now that we have learnt a little behind the theory of actuators, let's take a look at some key Norgren products. The ISO line is a significant improvement over its predecessor. The cylinder is 15% lighter and with ACS cushioning technology. Available as single or double acting, it conforms to ISO 15552, has flush-mounted switches to avoid damage, is fully configurable, and comes with a magnetic piston as standard. The ISO line range has a number of accessories to complement the actuator depending on the application. A guide block can be used to enhance load performance on all ISO actuators. Some come with a roller bearing designed for faster applications, but they can't take such a heavy load. A rod lock keeps the piston rod on an ISO actuator in place and has both safety and process benefits. The locking unit requires an extended piston rod, so it is best practice to order the cylinder to initially include the locking unit. When it comes to installing an ISO 15552 cylinder, Norgren offer one of the largest ranges of mountings in the business. IVAC stands for Integrated Valve and Actuator Control. It's the name of Norgren's unique fully integrated actuator, with one air connection and one electrical connection. It uses up to 50% less energy. It's lighter than the equivalent system built from individual parts and is quicker to install than competitor products. It uses the same footprint as an ISO actuator, but with an integrated valve spool. Norgren's Roundline series of actuators have smaller bore sizes than other ranges and are sealed for life, making them maintenance-free. They use an M50 switch and require an additional bracket for mounting. The ISO Roundline range conforms to ISO standards, meaning they can be swapped with any other manufacturer's products that meet the same standard. They are ready to use with the piston rod and nose lock nuts included, but a full range of accessories are available if required. They are buffer cushioned as standard, but can be upgraded to air cushioning when ordering. Norgren's house range of Roundline cylinders have buffer cushioning and are smaller and more economical than the ISO Roundline range. Although the outside is smooth, these are not food grade, and lock nuts are not included. This is Norgren's compact ISO cylinder. Offered as either single or double acting with male or female piston rod threads, these cylinders have flush fit reed switch or solid state switches and buffer cushioning as standard. There is a large range of accessories for these cylinders. Norgren's house range of compact cylinders are available as single or double acting and made from a corrosion-resistant material, allowing for a wider range of applications. Lintra Plus is Norgren's range of rodless cylinders. They are offered in strokes of up to 8.5 meters, although this does depend on the bore size, and come with optional dual porting, meaning less tubing and easier installation. Rather than a locking unit, rodless cylinders, like Lintra Plus, have a brake option. There is no ISO standard for rodless actuators. This is Norgren's well-established house cylinder. It comes in a range of bore sizes, has a magnetic piston option up to 4-inch bore, and is available with a range of mounting choices. There are a number of actuators that are more common in the US and unlikely to be seen outside the Americas. Some are very similar, while others are unique to that territory. The number one actuator in the Americas is the NFPA cylinder. Roundline Plus is the other cylinder in this category and is different to the Roundline cylinders in Europe. They look similar to the RT 57000 but have upgraded cushioning.